So once we have exported the data from the Penmap device in the field, then we can open up Penmap Project Manager again, and we can go into our Trimble Connect projects, and we can see here, because we've uploaded a project, then there's an option here to download this project. If not, we can just hit refresh and it will refresh, and then we can pick this job, hit download, and you'll notice that we have the options, the same options for export as we had with the TDC 600 in the field. So we have the options for CSV files, shape files, and the AutoCAD files, and a couple of extra options there. So we can export it from here. If we have exported it from the controller in the field, or the device in the field, then if we log into our Trimble Connect projects, and again go into our Penmap projects, then if we go into the folder Penmap, the project Burnbrae Walkover, any exports that we will have done from the field will be loaded in here. So here we can see we've got the DXF file, we've got the DWG file, and then we've got the other exports. This is the shape file here, and we've also got the individual photos here. So these are the main exports that we've got from the device. So it doesn't really matter whether you've downloaded the data using Trimble Penmap Project Manager, or whether you've downloaded the data directly from Trimble Connect. We can basically take the data directly into packages like Trimble Business Center. So if I just, for instance, take in the CAD file, so this is just one of the exported CAD files, drag and drop it in, then you can see there's the CAD data. The CAD data does not support the images, so you'll just get the CAD data as it's been surveyed, but with no images. So if I just undo that, what we can also do is we can take in the GIS data, the shapefile data. So again, if I just drag and drop that in, and once that GIS data comes in, you can see that essentially we have all the original data that was in the project, and then we have all the actual features that we've either drawn or surveyed. The images are there, but they're not immediately associated with the points the way that they actually come into TBC. If they were imported directly into something QGIS, then they would be associated with the points properly. We also have the option to stick within Trimble Connect. So for instance, if I just go back to Trimble Connect, and if I click in the GIS format here, it will automatically open the Trimble Maps package. And again, it will allow me to see what's been done in the field within the Maps application. So it just takes a second or not two to load up. And then we can just tap View. Again, we can change between whether we want a satellite view or street view, and we can enable and disable the data. But all the data is there as we'd expect. So we can see the trees that we surveyed here. So that's just a quick overview on how to actually export the data and use the data from Trimble Penmap.